Good morning. Let's talk about chainsaws. Here's a chainsaw with a blowed piston. And it all comes from the wrong mix in your fuel. Just like this one here. There's the piston down in there. Can't even get it out. Not even going to try to get it out. But the reason that happened is because running your fuel too lean. Most people don't understand that you have to mix your gas proper, and if you can't mix your gas proper, add a little bit of extra oil to it. A little bit of oil's not going to hurt it. These saws call for 50 to 1. And this one here, he was probably, according to this spark plug here, I don't know if you can see that, how white that is. Saw was really running lean. And when you run a saw that lean, there's what's going to happen. That's part of the piston. Saw's got to be split. All that crap's got to be took out of the bottom of it. Check the crank, it's probably scored. Probably a throwaway now. I mean, it can be fixed. It's worth fixing, but if they want to spend that kind of money on it, 360 is a good saw, properly maintained. Steel recommends 50 to 1. Myself, I've been doing this for 30 years. I wouldn't run nothing more than 40 to 1 in this saw. Or, if you're going to use steel mix, 50 to 1, don't quite get a full gallon of gas. Get 9/10 instead of a gallon. That'll drop you down to about 45 to 1. That'll give you a little more oil. Saw's going to smoke more. But, the 50 to 1's, EPA bullcrap, and to keep the saw from smoking. Remember the old Homalites, you guys, especially you older guys. 36 to 1. Some of the old McCallets, they would mix 16 to 1. I mean, it's just about the smoke. You know how they are. They don't want nothing to smoke. Everybody complains about smoke. Well, when you go buying a chainsaw like my big one, $1,900 saw, damn thing's going to smoke because I'm not going to blow it up. My saw's been running for years. Runs great, never done nothing to it. It's probably 10 years old with the same spark plug in it. I mean, you just can't run these saws 50 to 1 if you put more than a gallon of gas in your jug. You got to really pay it close attention. If you don't pay close attention, there you go. And when I hit your wallet a few times on stuff like this, maybe you'll pay attention. But like I say, the guy probably won't fix it. I don't know. I mean, I don't know. He brings about 10 chainsaws a week over here to work on. That's how hard he is on them. And he'll run one, break it, run one, break it, run, break it, and then brings a whole pile of them. But you just can't run your saws. You really got to pay close attention to what you're doing. I mean, it's just like anything. You just got to mix your fuel right. So I thought I'd give a shout out on this. Maybe some of you preppers or some of you YouTubers that cut a lot of firewood, heat with wood. Chainsaw's running better than using an axe, and when it's not running, I guess that's what you're using, an axe. Or turning on the electric heat or the oil heat. So thought I'd just post this, let you guys see what a piston looks like when you don't use the proper gas mix. Alright, bye.